Hey, this is Rush. In this lesson, we are going to talk about adding products to our store. So before we go to sell the trend and start finding some winning products to add to our store, we need to install one app on our Shopify store that is going to be very key in allowing us to easily add products from Sell the Trend straight into our Shopify store. And then in the future, once we get an order, allow us to then fulfill that order, which we will discuss in a subsequent lesson. Okay, so this particular app that we need to add is called Oberlo. And the way you do it is you go to your apps in your Shopify store. You see the Oberlo app right there in blue. You click on that. You click on Add App, and you enter your Shopify store name. You grab your Shopify store name. You enter it right there. And what it's going to do right now is going to add that app to your store. It's going to ask you to authorize it to make sure that you want to do this. And you say yes. Install app. And now what we've done is we've added the Oberlo app to our Shopify store, and then we're ready now to add products. So one last step that we need to do for the Oberlo app to allow us to add products really easily is we have to add its Chrome extension. So the Oberlo app, in order to allow us to add products with one click, it only will work on a Chrome web browser. So let's go to the Chrome store and type in Oberlo here. And you'll see it come up right here. It's called the Oberlo Aliexpress.com product importer. I've already added it, but you would just add it from here. And then now it's available on your Chrome browser to allow us to import these products. Now here we are on Sell the Trend, and we're going to add our first product to the store. Now there's a lot of videos on the site that go into depth into how to pick your products and what makes a good product for your store and all that kind of stuff. So you can check out the tutorials. I'm just going to go quickly through it here so we can add our first product and continue with the rest of the course. So let's just take this product, for example, here and take a look at a couple of products. You can see right away some of the things that I discussed in other videos of what I like about this product. For example, product cost is decent. The profit margin is pretty good. It's selling on a lot of power stores right here. So selling on these stores that are ranking really high in our power store ranking. It's selling on a lot of stores. It is showing a good increase in orders. So, we can easily add this product. Let's look at some other product as well. Let's see something a bit more maybe seasonal here. Let's look for, okay. So let's find something here that would make sense. Let's look at this product right here. It's mosquito bands. Let's look at that one. Okay. Again, we're looking at this here. It looks like it's doing really well in terms of sales. It's selling on a power store here. So let's quickly add this to our store and see how that entire process happens. So it's really simple to add this to our store. All we have to do is click on this source from Aliexpress button right here, and it's immediately going to open up this exact same product on Aliexpress. And all we have to do is the Oberlo app will automatically, as you saw a bit earlier, we installed our Chrome extension. It's going to automatically add this little button right here, this little blue button right here, that is going to allow us to, with one push, import this straight into the Oberlo app, which eventually will allow us to then, again, after we customize it a little bit, import it straight into our Shopify store. So it's super easy, and all you have to do really is click this button right here. So let's do that. And it says right there, product imported successfully. And now we can go to the Oberlo app and start working on this product. So here we are back at the Oberlo app, and let's go to our import list right here on the left. And right away, you can see it already brought the product in. This is the product that we're working with, and it's ready for us to work on this particular product and customize it a little bit. So right off the bat, let's make some changes to the title here. Let's not keep that really long Aliexpress title. Let's go back to Sell the Trend and grab a proper title description here. So let's maybe grab this title right here. Copy that. Right there. Maybe just change it a little bit for our own purposes. Okay. And let's go here to where it says description. Okay, so for the description, we are going to focus on writing a proper description in just a couple of seconds, but let's look at some of the other options first before we get to this description. We are not going to leave this bare bones AliExpress description. We're going to write a really good description inspired by some of the other stores that are selling this. So we'll get to the description in 2 seconds. Let's look at the variants here. And what we can do is, right now, we brought it in at the sale price of $1.32. So we're obviously not going to sell it for that. That's what we are sourcing it from. So we are going to sell it for a different price. So let's click on this button right here, which says set a new value. Now, there's two ways of doing this. We can either multiply the current value, this $1.32, and multiply it by a number, let's say by 3, or we can just tell it to set the price. So what price are we going to set this product for? Now, Oberlo suggests $8.99, but we're not going to do that. We're going to actually trust the stores that are selling this product for correct pricing. And let's go here and see this particular store, which is a power store on us. What price are they selling it for? So it tells us here that the average between these two stores that are selling it is $10.85. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to set this price here to set new value, $10.85 here, 85 cents, apply. And right away, it changes all the prices here and will even tell us what the profit is going to be here for the price. Now, the compare app price is a really good thing to set as well. So the compare app price is basically what the initial markup of the price would be. So let's say you see that a lot of stores do this. It's the product cost is $19, but it's been discounted to $10. So it's really a good way to entice customers to buy your product. So let's get this here to, let's set the new value here to, let's say this product was originally $15.99, for example. Okay, so now it's going to show in our Shopify store once we push this product to our Shopify store by clicking this button here later, once we are done setting up all this, is that it's going to show that this product was originally $16 and now it's selling for $10.85. So right now we've set up the price. We changed the title. We're going to work on the description in a little bit. Let's look at the images here that it automatically brought in. And this is where we can choose which images we want to bring for this product. Now, you can easily say, keep everything checked in and it will import all these images. Or you can specify, don't want to bring in this one maybe. Actually, let's keep this one. I want to actually bring in this image as well. And I want to bring in this image as well. And let's bring in this image. Okay, this is probably good. Okay, so it allows you to select the images that you want. So now we've set up everything. The last thing that we have to set up before we actually bring this entire product to our Shopify store is to work on the description. Now, before I actually write this description here, it's really easy to go to Sell the Trend and just click on the stores that are already selling this product. So if we click on this right here, and let's go back to and click on this other store right here. It's really easy to kind of come to their stores here and look at what they're writing as a product description and kind of get inspiration by that. Let's look at this other one over here. It's super easy to come here and kind of grab these descriptions and then retool them for your own benefits. So that's one option. The other option is to grab some of these things and then just work on them a little bit and enhance them and make them better. And this is what we're going to do right here. We're going to take some of these ideas and make them better. So let's go back to Oberlo here, and let me work on something here really quickly, and then we'll talk about why I changed some of this language and what makes a really good product description. So here we are. So let me go through what makes a good product description. Let's quickly read some of this and dissect it a little bit. Let's remember here, this product is a mosquito bracelet. So it allows you to repels mosquitoes, and also it appears to be multiple colors, so it's useful for children. So let's write this description here. So do you like spending time outdoors with your child? It's a joy to be outside enjoying all the summer has to offer. But those pesky mosquitoes can sure ruin your fun, can't they? What's even worse, a mosquito can bite and be quite a serious thing, carrying with it diseases such as West Nile virus, Zika, yellow fever, and others. So what are we doing here in this first paragraph? In this first paragraph, we are setting up the stage of why this product that we're trying to sell you is important. What's the use of this product? But not in a way where saying this is a mosquito repellent, buy it from us. We're actually setting up the problem that you are experiencing that this product is going to be the solution for. So what is the problem? The problem is mosquitoes And the problem is the dangers that they have to your children. So we're saying you're spending time outdoors. It's nice to spend time outdoors with your child, but these pesky mosquitoes can really be hazardous to your children. So this is the problem. We've already discussed the problem, and we are really pressing on what the issue is here. And then the next paragraph, what we're going to do here is we're going to then re-stress the problem. So the first paragraph here talks about what the problem is. And then the second paragraph here, let's read it. What can be a joyous time for the whole family can turn into quite an annoying time, especially for young children as they get bitten and feel the pain and discomfort. So pain and discomfort. So basically the second paragraph here is basically re-stressing the issue, kind of re-hitting on that pain point of the dangers of mosquitoes. So first paragraph, the problem. Second paragraph, we re-stress that pain point. And then third paragraph, here comes the solution. Here comes why our product is then going to relieve you of all this pain right here. Introducing our patented herbal anti-mosquito band. Our colorful and fashionable mosquito repellent band uses essential all-herb capsules, which are 100% safe for infants and children of all ages, made using all natural plant ingredients such as yada, 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 yada. So again, I got all these descriptions from the other stores that are selling the same product, as well as from the original Aliexpress description that comes in straight in from Aliexpress when we import it through the Oberlo app. So it's really simple to start to kind of work a proper product description based on other stores that are selling it that you can find from Seller Trend just by clicking on the stores themselves in the product research page, or the original Aliexpress where they mention some of these things that, some of these ingredients of this particular product. So now we have what the problem is, we re-stress what the problem is, and then we have our solution right here. Okay, and then the next section that I like to add here is our band will create a 1.5 meter impenetrable mosquito shield around your child. Each band comes with a replaceable capsule. This is, again, re-stressing what the benefits of the product are. And I like to usually add, currently we're offering 50% off the regular price. Order today, enjoy free shipping as an added bonus. So if you're not offering free shipping, you don't have to say free shipping. But sometimes I also like to add, additional features here at the bottom. Some details about, again, we grab this all from Aliexpress or from other stores. So now you have a retooled product description that is stronger than perhaps some of the other people that are selling this product, and we've added our own little twist to it. But again, all sourced from different ideas that are really easy to grab from other stores or from the original Aliexpress description. So that's kind of how I like to write a product description. I like to first stress what the problem is, and then again re-stress it, but in a bit of a different way. So when somebody comes in and reads this product description, they're like, read this description about this product, right away they know exactly what the issue is that this particular product solves, and then we introduce a solution right here saying exactly why this product is so great. And then we can add a little bit more information about the product. And then, usually we like to add maybe some additional sales items here, or 50% off if we're offering for 50%, or whatever it is. So let's go back here quickly to the variants. And if we said, 50% off, then we can easily say if this is $10.85, it will be $20, something like that. Let's do it, change all prices here, set new value, and say, just $20.99 or something. So now you know how to create a product description. You know how to grab the images that you want and change the title. The only thing that's left for us to do is, once we're happy with all this information, the only thing that's left for us to do is to click this button right here that says import to store. We click that, and right there it says bugs be gone, has been imported to your Shopify store. Now let's head back to our Shopify store and see what the product looks like over there. Okay, so we're back here. Let's go to products. And now, as you can see, we have our first product imported to the Shopify store. You click on this product right here. And right away, you can see our product description. You can see the product images that we imported. You can see the pricing that we've set. Everything is ready for us to start selling this product on our store. Now, we did say this was going to be a free shipping item, but let's say it's not a free shipping item. Let's actually discuss shipping really quickly here. The way you specify, as you remember when we did the shipping prices in an earlier video, we basically set up the shipping based on the weight of the product. So let me show you here how you can change the weight of the product so it impact the shipping price. So if you, let's actually go back here so I can show you exactly how to do that. If you go here to the bottom, you click on edit for any of these different variations of this product, the different colors. You click on edit, and right here you specify the weight of the product. So we specified that between 0 pounds to 0.24 pounds, I believe, was going to be $2.95 shipping. So let's say we wanted to charge $2.95 shipping for this product. We can just put it at 0.24 or 0.10. Anything between that range is going to now make this product have $2.95 extra shipping. So when we click save on that, and somebody buys this particular product from us, you would have to set up the same thing on all of these different variations. But when somebody buys this product from us, Shopify is going to automatically charge them another $2.95 in shipping. We can specify different weight ranges like we specified in our shipping, and then it will charge them those prices accordingly. So let's go see what this product actually looks like on our store. Okay, let's go down here a little bit, and right away you can see the product is there. Let's click on it. Let's go to the actual product page. And right away, you see everything that we've set up. We've set up the original price. We've set up the discounted price, so $20.99. We have our buy it now button. We have the add to cart button. We have the description that we've set up. We have all the product images here. See the description that we created, all the product images here, and we're ready to sell this product. Now we can go back here to the store. We can doll it up a little bit if you wanted to add bold some things here. We can click on this bold button here, so it makes this features. You can mess around with this with these text options here and make it look a bit nicer. But now we've quickly added a product that we found on Sell the Trend. With one button, we went to Aliexpress. We clicked one button. It imported it straight into the Oberlo app. From Oberlo, we tweaked it a little bit, decided what images we want, decided the pricing that we want for this product, and entered a really good description that's being sourced that we got from inspired by other stores that are selling this product, as well as wrote a really proper description based on mentioning pain points here in the top, as well as stressing the pain point, and then providing our solution for this issue. And now we are ready to move on to the next lesson, which is going to discuss fulfillment. So basically, once somebody buys a product from us, how are we going to go ahead and get that product and ship it to the customer without actually physically touching the product? And we're going to do that all in the next lesson.